This Instagram pages are getting millions of views per post. These types of motivational videos are booming on all of social media like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. And here is how you can make them on your phone. So firstly, go over to ChatGPT, and you are going to ask him this. Type 10 different motivational text. Now, if ChatGPT gives you a short motivational text, just tell him this. Make the text a bit bigger with simple English. And now it looks perfect. After you choose your text that you are going to make a video of, then you are going to copy it for later. After you copy the text, you are going to head to 11 Labs, which is a free AI voiceover that you can use. After you choose which voiceover you are going to use, then you are going to paste the text you just copied in here. And remember, I am doing all of this on my phone, so you can do it too. After you paste your text on 11 Labs, download it. Now we got the voiceover for the video done. Now we need clips to add to the voiceover, to get clips that you are going to use on the voiceover. You can head to this site called Pexel on Google, which is a free website where you can search for whatever you want. I am going to get clips from Pexels myself. I will choose lion and tiger clips because I think it suits the motivational niche quite well. And be sure that you download high-quality videos for your edit time. After you got the clips, you're gonna need to find music that you are going to use as the background of your video. The best way to find the right music is to find it on TikTok. I have already found the best page on TikTok for our type of videos. This page is called Funkface, and it has good sound that you can choose from. But for copyright claims, I cannot play it in this video. To download music from this page is to screen record, because you can't save video from this page. After you got the music that you chose, know we have everything that we need. So to assemble the video, after you got the clips, voiceover, and music ready, you are gonna head to CapCut to make the video. I think CapCut is the best editing platform on iOS and Android. Now that we are in CapCut, we are going to start creating our first motivational video. Step 1 is to add your clips that you previously got from Pexels. Step 2 is to add the music and voiceover to the video. After you got the voiceover uploaded to CapCut, then you are going to cut the clips so it will go well with the voiceover. After you have done that, you are going to head to adjust and follow as I tell you. Firstly, go to saturation and bring it all the way down, so it will give the dark effect that we like. Then go to contrast and choose between 20 to 40. Afterwards, go to brightness and choose as you like. I like to toggle it around -10 to 20. After you have done that, then you are going to click on Apply to All, and we are done with step number 2. For step number 3, we are going to add the music for the background. To do that, click Overlay, then choose the music video that you just screen recorded. After you choose the video, click Extract Audio, and cut it so it's perfect. After you have done that, you can just delete the overlay or hide it. Now for the step number 4, we are going to add captions. To do so, it's very simple. First click Text, then Auto Captions, and choose the style and the font that you like the most. And after you do that, you will place the text in the middle of the screen to make the video more entertaining, and now the video is almost finished. But what I like to do is to add your watermark, so people know that this is your content, and no one can steal your videos. To add your watermark, go to Overlay, choose your watermark and place it wherever you want. Just make sure that it is not too big, so it does not block the video too much. After you are done with the video, you are going to click Export icon. Once it reaches 100%, you can now upload it anywhere you want. If you want your page to get popular sooner, then it is better to post it on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok, so you have more chances to go viral. This video was a short tutorial on go to make viral Faceless videos. On the next video, I will be going in deeper details on how to go viral, so subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.